What's going on, YouTube? Okay, so today we got an eBay return. This is LCD Smart Key. I'll just go ahead and show you guys a test and show you that lock is working, unlock, working, auto start, working, trunk, working. Now check this out. We're gonna do the on-screen buttons. So here's remote start. It's already wired up. Let's do that. Oh, let me hold it. Alright, I got it set for 4 seconds of holding. There it is. Let's do the lock. Cool. Let's do the unlock. Cool. Now let's do the trunk. Cool. And fine, this is auto start. Let's do that. Cool. And I'm going to include the OBD for the proximity door locks. And this is the Chevy IMPALA 2014 Smart Key, LCD Smart Key, fully done. I'm on eBay. Thanks for tuning in.
Tesla. Tesla Roadster.